Hi guys, today I'd like to show you how I prepare my porridge. I use water, flour and sugar. I start by pouring part of that water into my flour. Usually I do 2 tablespoons for every 1 liter. So as the water is boiling, I'm going to mix my water and flour in the bowl. This is to ensure that all the flour is wet and there's no part that has lumps. Once the water is boiled, I put in my sugar. I like to make sure that my sugar is cooked before I consume it. So I'll put in my sugar and cover the water again so that it can boil. Once it boils, I'll go in with my flour and water mixture, but I'll start stirring the water before I pour it in. The stirring process will then continue until the porridge is ready. So just in case you are not already comfortable, get comfortable because the stirring doesn't stop until the porridge is ready. That's how you avoid lumps. So we'll stir until it begins to boil. Anytime you're stirring, make sure you stir all the way to the bottom. Once it starts boiling, give it some time. I also like to cool my porridge before I serve it. And there are many different ways to enrich your porridge. You could use milk, you could use margarine or butter, but I like to use peanut butter. Ideally, I should be using unsalted, but this is what I have, so it will have to do. The thing with milk is that calcium hinders the absorption of iron, so I also don't like to use milk because I like to eat for nutritional value, not just for the sake of eating. So I keep stirring that until it gets to the ideal temperature, not cold, but not ridiculously hot either. In the process, the peanut butter also gets mixed up with the porridge and evenly distributed. Our porridge is now ready to serve. You can see there are no lumps at all. It is just the right consistency. And remember, it gets thicker as it cools. So don't make yours too thick from the beginning because every step gets it thicker than before. This is our porridge. That is our consistency. You can see it's not too runny and there are no lumps at all. Thank you.